In 1963, in a small workshop outside London, a young engineer from New Zealand decided the fastest way to win was to build the car himself. His name was Bruce McLaren. He designed the cars, he engineered them, he drove them to victory, and he swept the factory floor himself. Engineering first, always. His cars dominated. 5 straight Can-Am championships, an entire era painted orange. 10 Formula One Constructors Championships, 13 drivers' titles, 3 Indianapolis 500s, and in 1995, a McLaren road car won Le Mans outright. Today, that workshop is a technology center in Woking. The road cars are built by racers, and racing is the reason the company exists. This season, the name returned to American endurance racing, a GT machine carrying the same bloodline as the road cars. The F1 GTR, the P1, the 765. Racing is where they were born. In IndyCar, 3 cars fight every American weekend, backed from day one by Aero, a technology company. This team has always chosen partners who build the future. 50 years after their last Indy 500 win, they call this season unfinished business. And at the summit, Formula One, back-to-back constructors champions, the reigning drivers champion, the benchmark of the entire sport. No other name on earth races at the top of endurance, IndyCar, and Formula One at the same time. 3 fronts, 1 name. So here's the question. What could they do with one intelligence? Walk into any pit stand in the world and you will see the same thing. A wall of monitors, dozens of screens, hundreds of live data streams. And the only intelligence applied to that wall is a human being looking at it. Brilliant engineers reading multiple screens under pressure in seconds. Engine performance from one provider, aero telemetry from another. Brakes, weather, tires, radio, video, different systems, different vendors, and none of them speak to each other. Spark Compass Racing replaces the wall with a single pane of glass, AI on top of every stream. One conductor, routing the right insight to the right specialist before the moment turns critical. Then we go further. We watch the whole grid, our own cameras at permitted vantage points, high-speed optics, the broadcast feed, the grandstands themselves. We do not go around the rules, we see further inside them. Advanced vision models read the rival cars. From video alone, we derive their telemetry, their braking points, their balance, their pace. We project their tire life. We see their strategy forming before they commit to it. AI in the cloud answers in seconds. A race is decided in milliseconds. That is why this intelligence lives trackside, in a mobile AI data center parked at the circuit. One call, made 2 laps early, from intelligence nobody else on the grid possesses. That is the difference between a podium and a victory. The ecosystem is modular. Hyperlocal weather, track surface thermal imaging, high-speed vision, circuit IoT, private 5G transport. Each one a module, added when it earns its place. Every league writes its own rules, so every deployment is configured to its series, legal, compliant, and growing with the subscription rather than bought. Now connect the 3 fronts. What endurance learns about tires flows to IndyCar. What IndyCar learns about ovals informs the summit. One intelligence fabric across every car on every grid. This is an engineering company that races. Cars engineered first, data respected always. Nobody on Earth is better positioned to understand what this is. Every car is a silo. Every silo is unified. One source of truth for the entire racing organization. Patented, proven, and ready today. And this is bigger than race day. McLaren is entering a new era, new ownership, new ambition, a public mandate to transform the whole company at incredible pace. We are built for exactly this moment. So we extend the fabric beyond the circuit. Every retailer in the world becomes an intelligent node. One network, from Woking to every showroom floor on Earth. These are high-performance machines. Now every one of them is understood. Predictive maintenance, proactive care, an ownership experience finally equal to the machine itself. proven on the grid, perfected for the road. The same intelligence that wins on Sunday takes care of the customer on Monday. And at the center of the network, when they are ready, sits access to quantum computing. The diamond is in the data. Quantum is how we will find it. This is Spark Compass Racing, built with IBM, powered with IBM Watson X, delivered by Spark Compass. Delivered as one ecosystem, under one subscription. No capital expenditure, no integration nightmare. Switched on, series by series. Endurance, IndyCar, Formula One. 3 fronts, one name, one intelligence. Bruce McLaren built the car himself because that was the fastest way to win. 60 years later, we built the intelligence across all. The art of the impossible is already here.